Front door installation. New Orleans is one of the fastest ways to improve curb appeal, security, and daily performance for homes across New Orleans, Louisiana. From the French Quarter to Uptown, homeowners choose new front doors. New Orleans for better insulation, stronger locks, and a fresh architectural look that matches classic, historic, and modern properties. Whether you need single front doors New Orleans or double entry doors New Orleans, Professional Residential Entry Door Services New Orleans help ensure clean fit, smooth swing, and long-term durability. Custom entry doors New Orleans are ideal for homeowners who want a distinctive style tailored to their property's architecture and weather demands. In the Garden District, custom entry doors. Garden District New Orleans often feature decorative glass, premium wood finishes, and upgraded hardware, while modern entry doors. Audubon New Orleans may include sleek lines and minimalist panels. An experienced entry door contractor. New Orleans can build or source custom sizes, unique materials, and design-forward options that elevate both beauty and function. Hurricane impact entry doors. New Orleans are essential for storm protection in neighborhoods exposed to strong wind, rain, and seasonal weather threats. Homeowners in Lakeview often request impact entry doors. Lakeview New Orleans, while West End buyers search for hurricane-rated entry doors. West End New Orleans and storm-resistant front doors. Carrollton New Orleans. These storm-resistant front doors New Orleans are engineered for strength, better sealing, and increased peace of mind during Gulf Coast weather events common in Greater New Orleans. Exterior door replacement. New Orleans is a smart solution when an old door becomes warped, drafty, damaged, or outdated. Homeowners in Uptown frequently look for exterior door replacement. Uptown New Orleans, and families throughout Jefferson Parish often need exterior front doors. Jefferson Parish New Orleans area that can stand up to humidity and daily wear. Replacing an aging system may also involve door frame replacement. New Orleans, threshold replacement, and weather sealing so the full opening performs like new from top to bottom. Fiberglass entry doors. New Orleans are popular because they combine style, energy performance, and low maintenance in Louisiana's humid climate. In Mid-City, fiberglass entry doors. Mid-City New Orleans are a common choice for homeowners who want the look of wood without the upkeep, while energy-efficient front doors. Warehouse District New Orleans are often selected for improved comfort and reduced air leakage. Energy-efficient entry doors. New Orleans can help stabilize indoor temperatures while creating a more secure and polished front entrance. Steel entry doors. New Orleans deliver strong security, clean appearance, and practical value for many residential properties. In Algiers, steel entry doors of Algiers, New Orleans are often installed for durability and dependable performance, especially where homeowners want reinforced construction and modern hardware. A trusted entry door contractor. Marigny New Orleans or anywhere in the city can recommend steel options with insulated cores, attractive finishes, and upgraded lock systems for long-lasting protection and better day-to-day reliability. Wood entry doors. New Orleans remain a timeless choice for historic homes, upscale residences, and homeowners seeking classic warmth. Traditional front doors. Old Metairie New Orleans and wood front doors. Metairie New Orleans area continue to attract buyers who want elegant grain patterns, rich stains, and architectural character. Wood doors can be crafted in single or double configurations, paired with side lights, and restored through entry door refinishing. New Orleans when the finish begins to fade from sun, moisture, and everyday use. Front door replacement. New Orleans is often the best answer when a door still has life left but no longer closes, seals, or locks correctly. In Bywater, front door replacement. Bywater New Orleans may involve hinge adjustments, panel replacement, strike alignment, or sealing gaps that let in air and moisture. Entry door glass replacement. New Orleans is another common service, especially for decorative inserts and damaged panes, and entry door glass replacement. Broadmoor New Orleans helps restore appearance and safety without full replacement. Door frame replacement. New Orleans is critical when moisture, rot, settling, or impact damage affects the structural integrity of the opening. In older neighborhoods such as Treme, door frame replacement. Treme New Orleans is often needed to correct sagging jambs, misalignment, or water-damaged wood around aging entrances. Pairing a new frame with pre-hung entry doors, New Orleans gives homeowners a complete system designed to fit properly, reduce drafts, and improve opening and closing performance for years to come. Door hardware installation, New Orleans adds the finishing touch that improves both style and security for any front entry system. Homeowners in Central City often request door hardware installation, Central City, New Orleans, while door lock replacement, Irish Channel, New Orleans remains a frequent need for worn, outdated, or compromised lock sets. Door lock set replacement, New Orleans can include handle sets, deadbolts, smart locks, and keyed entry systems that work beautifully with steel entry doors, fiberglass entry doors, and custom wood entry doors. Pre-hung entry doors, New Orleans are a practical and efficient option for replacement projects where both the slab and frame need attention. In New Orleans East, pre-hung entry doors, New Orleans East are especially useful for streamlining installation and creating a tight, weather-resistant fit. These systems simplify front door installation, New Orleans, by combining door, hinges, and frame into one unit, making them a smart choice for exterior door replacement, New Orleans, entry door upgrades, New Orleans, and full residential entry door services, New Orleans. Entry door maintenance, New Orleans helps protect your investment and keep your front entrance looking and performing its best. Homeowners in Harahan often search for entry door maintenance, Harahan, Greater New Orleans, while Kenner residents benefit from entry door refinishing, Kenner, near New Orleans, to restore fading finishes on stained or painted surfaces. Entry door weather stripping, New Orleans is also vital for reducing drafts, blocking moisture, and improving comfort, especially for older homes throughout Gentilly, Marigny, Broadmoor, and the Greater New Orleans area. Residential entry doors, Gentilly, New Orleans and surrounding neighborhoods are available in a wide range of styles designed to match each home's architecture and practical needs. Some homeowners prefer double entry doors, Lower Garden District, New Orleans, for a grand, welcoming look, while others choose single front doors, New Orleans, for efficiency and classic charm. From front door installation, French Quarter, New Orleans, to exterior door replacement, Uptown New Orleans, entry doors, New Orleans, Louisiana continue to be one of the most valuable upgrades for beauty, safety, and storm-ready performance.